Hello everyone. Today let us see the working and the characteristics of depletion type power MOSFET. In our video of enhancement type MOSFET, we have seen the main classification of MOSFET, how enhancement type MOSFET works and its characteristics. Now coming to the depletion type MOSFET, the characteristic of a depletion type MOSFET is you have a physical channel which exists between the drain and source of the MOSFET. So this particular diagram is for an N-channel MOSFET. So if it is an N-channel MOSFET, the substrate or the body is of P-type, the drain and source is of N-type, and the physical channel which is present is also of N-type. Once it is a N-type MOSFET, it is familiar to us that the drain terminal has to be positive as well as the gate terminal has to be positive with respect to the source, and always the source and the substrate will be connected. So you can observe here the substrate and the source are always connected. So here you can observe the circuit symbol of a depletion type MOSFET. Since you have a physical channel existing between the drain and source, the circuit symbol is represented by a solid line, whereas in the case of enhancement you can see the drain and source represented by broken lines, and the arrow mark, it indicates the direction of the flow, current flow, and it is a N-type. If the arrow mark points in the opposite direction, it is a P-type MOSFET. And always remember that for a P-type depletion MOSFET, the drain has to be kept at a lower potential as well as the gate has to be kept at a lower potential, whereas the source will be at a higher potential. This you should always remember. And if it is a P-type MOSFET, then you can observe this is drain, this is the substrate, this is the source, the arrow mark pointing towards this end. Okay, that is if it is a P-type MOSFET. Now, how actually it works? Since the channel is already present, even if the gate to source voltage is 0 and we apply the drain to source voltage which is positive, the MOSFET will conduct. Okay, the MOSFET is on even if VGS is 0 because the channel is already formed. This is the special feature of depletion type MOSFET. Now, what happens if we make VGS positive? If VGS is made positive, VDS also positive, then the drain current is going to increase. Okay, the drain current will increase if VGS is positive and VDS is also positive. Now, what will happen if VGS is negative? If VGS is negative, all the electrons present over here will be repelled. Okay, the electrons present over here will be repelled and the channel will become narrow. So if the channel becomes narrow, then the drain current will decrease. So if the VGS is made still more negative, then the drain current will finally become equal to 0. In that case, you have no charges present in the channel. So it is all the charges will be depleted off. That is why it is called as depletion type MOSFET. So let us see the characteristics. So this is the drain characteristics, or otherwise called as the output characteristics of an depletion type MOSFET. So we have seen VGS, even if it is 0, the MOSFET conducts. If VGS is made positive also, the MOSFET conducts but the drain current will increase, and if VGS is made negative also, it will conduct but drain current will start decreasing. Once it crosses the threshold, no, then the drain current will become 0. So if you observe here, VGS less than -3 volt, the MOSFET will not conduct. That means a -3 volt is our pinch off voltage or the threshold voltage to which your MOSFET will conduct. So -2 volt, -1 volt, your device behaves like a depletion. If it is 0 also it will conduct, if it is positive also it will conduct. But if VGS is positive and 0, the behavior of the MOSFET will be similar to the enhancement type. That's why it is written 0 to 2 volt. It is the behavior of the MOSFET is similar to enhancement type MOSFET, whereas -1, -2 and lesser values, the behavior is just a depletion type MOSFET. And always do remember, if VGS is 0 or positive, in the case of a depletion type it conducts, even negative it conducts. But for enhancement type MOSFET, your VGS should always be positive. Okay, it cannot be negative. So VGS should be either greater than the pinch off voltage or threshold voltage, or VGS should be positive for enhancement type MOSFET to conduct. So next let us look into the transfer characteristics. So transfer characteristics, if you observe here, the VGS is positive, the drain current increases. If it is 0 also, you have a high drain current. If VGS is made negative, the drain current slowly reduces, and once it goes below the pinch off voltage, no, the drain current becomes 0. Here the drain current is 0. So this is called as pinch off voltage, nothing but the threshold voltage of the MOSFET. So this is how a depletion type MOSFET works. Its working is completely different from that of the enhancement type MOSFETs. Okay, hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video.